Hello, this is the meditation for reconnecting with loved ones. If you are comfortable where you are seated, then we can get started. Begin by relaxing and listening to your breathing. As you are sitting, visualize a green light coming up through the floor, up through the soles of your feet, up your legs and body, all the way to your heart. From above you then comes a ray of bright, white, sparkling light. See this white light entering the top of your head and moving downward until it reaches your heart. In your heart, it mixes with the green light. Now, let the light spill upwards, out of your head, and down around you. You'll become completely encompassed in this sparkling, healing light. Then, see yourself pushing the white light outward from you until you are centered in this bubble of light. Continue relaxing, listening to your breathing. Let everything be dark and peaceful. Now, allow your meditative sight to come into focus slowly. As you do, you will find yourself in a dark hallway. There is a dim, golden light coming from a room at the opposite end of the hall. As you approach the light, you can see it coming from a lamp sitting on a table. You enter the room, seeing it is filled with soothing, golden light. Upon entering, go to sit in the comfortable chair next to that table where the lamp is. Think of something you want to release or something you wish to draw toward you, whether it is forgiveness, sorrow, fear, understanding, peace, resolution, joy, hope, or some other aspect you are feeling strongly about in this moment. On the table, you will see paper, a pen, and a box. Use the pen and paper to write down the word you have thought of and that you wish to address at this time. Put the paper into the box and close it. Then take the box from the table, holding it in your hands as you are relaxing this chair. As you sit there, close your eyes and invite the person you wish to reconnect with to meet you. If this is someone who is still alive on Earth, invite that person's higher self to meet with you. When you have done this, open your eyes and look to the far side of the room where you will see a staircase going up. Go over to the stairs, carrying the box with you. You will be able to climb safely and effortlessly to the top. As you reach the top, you will discover it comes out onto a balcony. There you will see someone waiting to meet with you. They become clear to you as you approach them. Take a few minutes to greet them. Listen to them. Talk with them. When you are ready to part, together open the box and set free what it is you now find inside the box. Take as much time here as you would like, of course. But know that you may return to this place of love and healing at any time you wish. Say your goodbyes and then walk back down the stairway and out into the hall, allowing everything to fade back into that peaceful darkness once you're ready to return.